Good morning, everyone. This is Evan coming to you from Vietnam. It is currently 6 a.m. and I'm going to give you a quick room tour of my quarantine hotel room. I have to be in here for 2 weeks and I can't get out whatsoever. So let's start with the entrance door. Over here is the entrance door. You have standard handle, one lock here and one lock here. Now this I've never seen before. If you take out your card, it turns off all the electricity. Or it's supposed to. And then when you put it back in, it reactivates it. Over here we have the bathroom. Let's check this out. Hello. They gave me a lot of utensils here, bath products. I'm guessing because they know I'm gonna be here for 2 weeks and they don't want me coming outside unless I have to. I noticed that any sort of sink or bath that I had so far, it's really strong. It's really strong and it splashes everywhere. Over here, the toilet, it has something that they don't have in America, which is a water gun or water hose to, quite frankly, spray your butthole instead of using toilet paper. Here's the shower, pretty simple. Nothing complicated. Little thing to hold your shampoo. Over here I have sort of a dish rack where any sort of container that I've gotten for my meals, I just wash them. And some laundry over there that I just hanged. So when you walk in, you have this closet. If you open it, that's where I have 2 of my luggages. And, oh, I didn't even see this here, there's a safe. Now this room comes with 2 beds, even though I'm only one person. That's fine. This is the bed that I sleep in, and this is the bed that I just use to lay out my things that I'm gonna use every day. There's also this thing here, which I haven't seen before. It controls all the lights over here. On this corner you have nothing but an outlet. On the right side you have a desk, and on this desk, well, first of all, under here you have a refrigerator, and I turned it on max so I can have everything really cold, especially my smoothies. Again, they provide me a lot of what they would normally put, like for example 4 huge water bottles, and there's a 5th one over there. But the reason they do that is so I don't really have to ask them for so much. Over here, like my chopsticks, spoons, straws, anything I need. Sugar for tea, but I'm not going to use that. Some bags for recycle or garbage or laundry. These are things that I just saved from like the airplane, like antiseptic towels. Oh, they gave me some masks for free, which is really cool because I need that. Now in this hotel, they do have a menu for food if you want breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The menu is only for lunch and dinner, and you have to pay for it. The breakfast is free every morning, and you get to choose a time of when you want it delivered between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. And I always choose 10 a.m. because I don't like to eat early. So they put everything in a plastic, I guess because I'm a health hazard now and I might have COVID, according to them. I have my very own router in here. I'm not sure if that's meant for me. I think that's meant for everyone. It's where I charge my stuff. There is a TV here and it has a lot of American stations, which I was surprised about. Over here you can also lay out your luggage, but I decided not to. Here, the key was already installed. If you turn it all the way to the left, you lock it. If you turn it all the way to the right, you unlock it. So it's a really, really cool balcony. I washed my shoes, so I left my shoes out here to dry overnight. Should be dry by now. There's a plant that I hope survives because it hasn't rained within 3 days. And I have a really nice view of the outside. I have to say, if it wasn't for this balcony, my stay here would be a lot worse. This balcony has helped me connect with the world outside and maintain my sanity. And huge building up there. I am on the 3rd floor. There's one balcony underneath me, which is bigger, and there are, I believe, 3 more above me. Over here is where you control the air conditioning. However, I haven't touched it because I don't really need the air conditioning. It's not hot enough, for me at least, in order to need it. It's about 80 degrees outside, but I actually don't feel it. Now the last thing I want to show you is the curtain. The curtain took me a while to figure out. You can't tug it from the leftmost side, you have to tug it from the middle. And then if you just tug it a little bit once, it's automatic. So watch. So that is the room tour of my quarantine hotel room. This is only my 3rd day, so I think by the end of this haul, I will do a complete review of everything. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.